I'm a qualified chef in trade. I studied at the Institute of Culinary Arts in Stellenbosch. At the moment, I'm the editor of Sari Course magazine, and I do a couple of other books, writing about food, eating food, and cooking for people. That's what I do, and that's what I love. I like to celebrate South Africa, its uniqueness, and its ingredients, and that's what I'm going to look for when I judge these restaurants. Every plate of food must make me smile, must make me happy. It makes me want to eat everything a little bit more. Good food at the heart of everything is very important. Eating out is all about a 360 experience. From that moment you make the reservation, from the moment you walk into the restaurant, the way you are greeted, the way you are seated, the ambience, the music, the cutlery, everything combined together must make me feel happy, must make me feel welcome. My philosophy when eating out and when I'm judging is always must be sustainable. The food must be sourced from local, sustainable sources. Find that one South African ingredient that can replace something that's international. If we celebrate South Africa, we can tell a true South African story, and that's what restaurants should do. When I'm judging, I first of all don't eat anything during the day. I want to savor every little bite and every little thing that I get served in that restaurant. My bugbear when I visit the restaurants is especially waiters that are too much in your space. They overcompensate. Let the guest be. Let him enjoy the ambience. Let him enjoy the work of the chef. That's the best part of eating out, that moments of silence. Just you, your food, your guests, and your wine. For me, when I look at the wine list, first of all, it must be balanced. There must be a representative of South African wines first. The biggest part of the wine list must be South African wines, because that's where we are, that's what we're celebrating. There must be a balance of affordable wines, middle class and your upper class wines. Some of us can afford very expensive wine, some of us can just afford a local, good quality wine. So there must be enough choices for everyone. I do tend to be adventurous. I like to try everything. I think when you go to a restaurant, be open to new experiences. We've got exceptional talent in our country, and all of these chefs, they work very hard, and to go sit at their table and to experience their works of art, it really excites me. I'm so excited every time I visit a restaurant. It's the pinnacle of my day.